Dear viewers, today I am going to tell you about the use of present continuous tense. The use of present continuous tense is very important. You have to understand. I told you that the action of the present continuous tense is going on at this time being, or the action of the present continuous tense is continuing at the time of speaking. So this is the present continuous tense. You have to understand. Dear viewers, suppose, please try to understand. If I write you look sad, you look sad, this is the present indefinite tense. And you can ask me, why do you look sad? Why do you look sad? The reason may be something happening before. We can write, what were you thinking? What were you thinking? Dear viewers, what are you thinking? You look sad. What were you thinking? So what are you thinking? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Dear viewers, what are you thinking? This is present continuous tense, and at any second of the action of thinking, you look sad. Try to understand. Suppose I am thinking something, and at any second of my action continuing, I may look sad. So present continuous tense must be continuing at the time of speaking, but the present indefinite tense finishes at any moment or at any second. So I think you have a general idea about this tense. Now we use present continuous tense with some words. Suppose now, at this moment, at the moment, at this time being, progressively, gradually, etc. Suppose now Salma is going to market. Now Salma is going to market. Suppose the subject is Salma. So the continuous tense is possible with noun, with now. The continuous tense is possible with now. But if we write any other tense like present indefinite with now, that may be the form of verb to be. Suppose now Salma is at the now Salma is in the now Salma is in the market. In the market. Dear viewer, please try to understand. Now Salma is going to market. Now Salma is in the market. So Salma is going to market. This is continuous, but you can use now with present indefinite tense. Then the present indefinite tense must be used, must be of verb to be. So the present indefinite tense can be by using verb to be with now, but if we use action verb, then the sentence is like this way: now Salma is going to market, or at this time being Salma is going to market, or at this moment Salma is going to market, or gradually Salma is going to market, or continually Salma is going to market. We can use continually. Suppose it is raining continually. It is raining continually. It is raining cats and dog continually, or progressively, or suppose continuously. It is raining continuously. So you can use continuously with continuous tense, present continuous tense. She is she is making she is making the mistake. She is making the mistake continually. Continuously. So when do we use such type of sentence? She is making the mistake continuously. That means when somebody is making the same thing or same work repeatedly, then we can use this present continuous tense. She is making the mistake continuously. Dear viewers, now you can please take a look at the screen. When we use some transient or some temporary action, that temporary action is going on at the time of present, that may be written in the present continuous. Suppose I am reading David. I am reading David Copperfield. I am reading David Copperfield. I am reading David Copperfield. Copperfield. So I am not reading the David Copperfield always or at this time of speaking, but in the present time, temporarily I am reading David Copperfield. I think you have had a general idea about this. Now we can also use present continuous tense to test something or to take the flavor of some food. We can use present continuous tense. Please take a look at I am testing the curry. If it needs more salt. Try to understand. I am testing the flavor, or I am testing the curry. I am testing the curry if it needs more salt. So the women, while cooking, they can do such things, such type of work. They test the salt of the curry. So at this time being, I am testing the curry if it needs more salt. It is appropriate. It is appropriate. In the meaning of testing or to test, we can use present continuous tense. Thank you. Now, if we use or if we want to say the obstinate habit, the wayward habit, the habit that can't be controlled. So such type of habit, if we want to mean, we can use this tense. Please try to take a look at my dog is still my dog is always running into the road. My dog is always running into the road. The habit of running of the dog is very wayward. The habit of the dog's running can't be controlled. So this is uncontrollable habit. So we can use present continuous tense with always. We can also use present continuous tense of this rule with constantly and continuously also. Thank you, dear viewers. Now I will tell you another rule of using this tense. Suppose we are taking preparation for some future activities, then we can also use present continuous tense to focus near future tense. Suppose we are going to Dhaka next week, but we are not going to Dhaka at this timing. We are just taking the preparation. So we can use present continuous tense with near future. We are going to Dhaka the next week. Next week, dear viewer, please try to understand. We are going to Dhaka the next week. We are going to Dhaka the next week. Just we are taking preparation of going to Dhaka next week. So this is a future, the preparation of some of and future of a future activity. So this is the preparation of going to Dhaka the next week, and we can write this in the continuous form in the present continuous tense with some near future time. Suppose the next week, here is the near future time. Thank you. Last of all, dear viewers, last but not least, it is the most important rule. When we are using the present continuous tense, we can also focus, or we can also give some examples of changing atmosphere of the world, or something is changing at the time of speaking or at present. So to mean the change that is going on at present, we can use present continuous tense. Suppose at present the price of necessary commodities, at present the price of necessary commodities is going up rapidly. Dear viewers, try to understand. At present the price of necessary commodities is going up rapidly. So this is a changing. This is a change which is going on at this time being. This is the sense which is still continuing at the time of speaking or at present time. So this can be written in the present continuous tense with at present or nowadays, etc. The price of rice. The subject is price, not the commodities. You see, the price of anything is always third person singular number. So it has taken is, and has helped go with giving ing to it, and it has been a present continuous tense. So dear viewer, today I am going to make the end of these discussions, and till then I wish you best of luck. Thank you.